Help support the companies that support our community. Hey guys, I wanted to give you a quick update on how the mobile shop's coming. So we've taken it out a couple of times, everything works great. We have a few more tools to get. We need to get a bandsaw and a drill press, but we'll get those on down the road. We did pick up a couple of things though. I got a fan from Newair, so it's an 18-inch fan. I've made a little steel L bracket there. This is going to work out perfect. I can turn it wherever I want, pivot it around depending on which side of the lathe I'm working on. This thing moves a lot of air, so it's going to work out really nice, especially during the summer, because this little tin box is going to turn into an oven. So got that mounted up there. I still need to make a small bracket here so when we're traveling, it doesn't move around. This thing bounces around quite a bit. And we got a little space heater too. So it's an oil heater. This is the same type of heater that I heat my shop with at the house. So it works great. During the winter, I just leave it on low, and then when I go out in the shop to work. I'm not sure how well it's going to work once I get the windows open with the breeze blowing through, but it'll at least take the chill off. And the other thing I'm going to use that for is when we have the trailer parked, I'm going to leave that on low so it's a consistent temperature in here, because there's some tools that we have to leave in here that I don't want to have any problem with moisture or rust. And I'm going to work on getting something for the summer for the heat for that too. I know they make some little pellets and things to get rid of moisture. But I talked to Davis at Newair, and I will put a link down below in the description. He's offering 10% off. So if you need a fan for your shop or a heater during the winter, go check it out. They have a ton of other great products on their website as well. So go check that out, and there's a 10% discount code down in the bottom. We did pick up a little dust collector too, a little Rikon dust collector. That's going to go in this cabinet right here. I used it in the shop a couple of times. It works great. It's nice and quiet too. So I think once it's in here, you really won't hear maybe just a little bit of a hum. So that's going to work out nice. One other thing, I did talk to Stuart Kent. He's a robust dealer back east in North Carolina. And Stuart has a 24-foot enclosed cargo trailer that he teaches classes out of. So he takes it out just around the North Carolina area, but valuable information. Talked to him on the phone for about an hour. He gave me a lot of great tips. Thank you so much, Stuart. First thing we need to do, and I didn't even think about it, we need to put in a breaker box. He said that way you can plug your generator into the breaker box and then run lines and with plugs for each of the tools. That way, if there's ever a surge in the generator, it doesn't ruin your tools. So it'll blow the breaker. So that is the next thing that we're going to get put in. He gave me a ton of other great tips, but that is number one on the list. All right. I think that is about it so far. We're going to be back out in a couple of weeks. We do have, I don't have the exact date yet, but I got contacted by a gal up in Seattle, and she runs a furniture school up there, and she saw our post as we were going through Seattle, and she invited us up to do kind of a day-long demo with the trailer. It's going to be the end of June or early July, right around that area. As soon as we get the date for that, I will share that with you. So that'll be fun. Do a meetup there. But I will, as soon as we figure out exactly when it is, I'll let you know. And we are still planning on coming to Texas in October. I have a demo and some classes there, and we're planning on bringing the trailer too. It'll be around the Dallas-Fort Worth area. All right. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button. All right. Take care.